Hello, greetings from Booneri. In today's GK topic, we will see what should be done if someone is COVID positive. If you or any of your family member has tested positive, what steps should be done if home quarantine is advised? Watch ahead. If you or any of your family member is experiencing any symptoms like cough, cold, throat irritation, headache, fever, etc., it's better to immediately isolate that person in a separate room. Some people think that isolation is not really necessary until we go and get tested, and only if the report turns out positive we will quarantine. But that's not right. As soon as we see any initial symptoms, immediately quarantine. Many people delay in getting themselves tested, due to which their symptoms have become more severe, affecting and damaging the lungs. Why? Initially, some people might just get a headache and some body ache, that's it. No cold, no cough or any other symptoms. So they ignore it and they themselves directly jump to the conclusion that they don't have COVID and that there's no need for them to get tested. Deciding on our own is not right. There have been cases where people were infected but had no other symptoms, maybe just one or two symptoms like loss of smell, as they can't understand or differ between smells, or for some it might be loss of taste. No cold, cough, throat pain, headache, fever, nothing at all. But this one symptom can persist for even more than 6 months. Sometimes, even if we have come in contact with a person who has now tested positive, immediately our body might not show any symptoms. It's not necessary that we will catch the infection instantly. That doesn't mean we are safe. After coming in contact with a COVID positive person, the symptoms can show up after a few days. It can take about 2 to 14 days for the symptoms to show up. It's not that we were in contact with someone who was infected and we got infected too at once. Most importantly, even if we didn't get any symptoms after being in contact with an infected person, we should still take care and not neglect, thinking that we are saved, so it's all good now. No, because sometimes we might be carriers, and if we are not careful, we might infect someone else whose body immunity might be low. What steps should we take if a person is positive and in home quarantine? Take a look. What does isolation mean? It involves keeping an infected person away from others, usually in a separate room, such that the others are in a room that's away from the sick person's room. How does COVID-19 spread? It spreads between people who are in close contact within about 6 feet. How? It spreads through respiratory droplets which are created when someone coughs, talks, or sneezes. If it's not possible to have a separate room or there are space constraints and you have to share space, then make sure the room has good airflow by opening the windows to allow air circulation. Make sure the person who is sick drinks a lot of fluids and rests. The person who is sick and infected should eat or be fed in their own room if possible. Avoid sharing personal items. For example, plates, containers, spoons, glasses, etc. should not be shared. The utensils should be kept separate for an infected person. Bathing towels also cannot be shared in common. Each one should use their own towels and it should be kept separate. This also applies to bedding, as the bed sheets should be separate. Any electronic device like a cell phone should also not be shared with the patient. After the sick person has had meals, do not handle the used utensils with bare hands. Instead, use hand gloves. wash them with water and soap. The person who is sick should wear a mask when they are around other people at home. If other non-infected family members are going near to the sick person, maybe to give food or medicines, they should also wear a mask. If you are in contact with a COVID patient or if you are a caretaker, avoid going out of the house. If possible, get the needed items delivered to your doorstep. Sanitize the items first and only then start using them. These steps should be followed rigorously. There are also some simple and easy steps to help avoid the infection getting severe. What are those steps? Watch ahead. Number 1. A person who is infected and in home quarantine should use a vaporizer to inhale steam. The hot steam from the vaporizer will help clear off the nasal and mouth passage. Taking such steam is recommended and can be done once in the morning, once in the afternoon, and once in the evening or night, at least 3 times a day. Number 2. Take a glass of warm water and add some salt to it. Doing warm water gargling like this will help ease throat irritation and relieve you from cough. Number 3. Include plenty of fruits and vegetables in the diet. Number 4. You can ask your doctor, and then to build your body's immunity, take a vitamin C tablet every day. Your doctor might even suggest you a multivitamin tablet or a tablet that contains zinc. These help your body to recover faster. Number 5. Perform breathing exercises regularly. That will help your lungs to function well. Number 6. Monitor your body's blood oxygen levels using an oximeter. It should be more than 94%. If it is reducing, call your doctor immediately. Make a natural immunity booster drink with natural spices, as it can be an easy home remedy. Most importantly, keep washing your hands often with soap or use the sanitizer. If you rigorously follow such steps, you will probably ease the sick person's suffering or troubles.